Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Quad Laptop Screen Extender, a 15.6-inch portable monitor that adds 3 FHD 1080p screens to your laptop, transforming it into a massive 30-inch combined display. If you want unparalleled multitasking power on the go, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features three 15.6-inch IPS panels with 1920 by 1080 resolution, 300 nits brightness, and 178 degrees viewing angles for crisp, vibrant visuals. The innovative one-button combine mode merges the three screens into a single seamless 30-inch ultra-wide display, perfect for coding, trading, or video editing. Each screen supports 360 degrees rotation, allowing easy switching between landscape and portrait modes directly in your OS settings. Connection requires a one-time driver installation via the included USB drive, then all three screens operate through a single USB-C cable, reducing clutter while maintaining stable performance. It's compatible with Windows and Mac including M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5 chips. The foldable integrated design includes a built-in stand, making it portable for office, home, or travel. Comes with 65 WPD adapter, necessary cables, and protective bag. Weight is approximately 3.3 kilograms with dimensions folding to the size of a single monitor. Real-world reviews praise its ability to boost productivity by 300% for professionals who need multiple windows visible simultaneously. The one-button merge feature is a standout, instantly creating an ultra-wide canvas. The driver installation is mandatory, so ensure your IT policy allows it. The flexible rotation and independent screen control let you customize your workspace exactly how you need it. Some users note the combined bezels are still visible, but they fade into the background with use. If you want a portable triple-screen solution with versatile display modes and powerful multitasking capabilities, the Quad Laptop Screen Extender delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.